Good morning. I'm Dr. Usha Rane, RMT Engineering College. I'm going to brief about the topic of load frequency control and economic dispatch control. Generally, load frequency control with the integral controller, if you take care, which we can get a zero steady state error frequency. That is a steady state frequency error as zero, and which is a fast dynamic response. You can say within a few seconds, LFC as a fast acting controller. But what is the drawback here? If you take care, means no control over the relative loadings of various generating stations of the control area. That's the drawback of LFC. Even though it is a fast dynamic acting controller, we have some problem. So for that, we are going to add the economic controller. So the figure shows the addition of economic dispatch control with the LFC control. If there is a sudden load increases in the control area, means the load frequency control changes the speed changes settings of the speed governor of all the generating units. So this will match the load and frequency. So here the loading of generating units are independent of economic loading considerations. Some units may get overload or some units can get underloaded. So you have to adjust the gain factor. Practically, this is not satisfactory. So a best solution is by using independent control for load frequency and economic dispatch control. So the comparison here, as already I have mentioned, load frequency controller is a fast acting control within a few seconds, and we have already mentioned a zero steady state frequency error, and the economic dispatch controller is a slow acting controller. So in this diagram, if you take the signal PG desired, which is received from central economic dispatch computer, which has the signal is sent to local economic dispatch controller. Here the error, that is PG actual and PG desired, as modified by the integral area control error at the time instant of time. So the system operates with economic dispatch error only for very short periods of the time before it is readjusted. So through the operation of integral controller, we can alter the position of the speed changer setting so that the generating stations produce outputs conforming whatever the demand has required. So in general, if you compare economic dispatch and load frequency controller, economic dispatch a slow acting control which adjusts the speed changer setting every minute, that is, or you can say half a minute, in accordance with the command signal generated by the central economic dispatch computer. But LFC has fast acting control for few seconds and regulates the system around an operating point. And in LFC, zero steady state frequency error is achieved, which is fast dynamic response with the help of integral control action. In power system, economic dispatch control as well as load frequency control plays a vital role. So these are the basic functions of the combination of these two, of economic dispatch as well as load frequency control in power system. Thank you.